Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be doing a quick flip through of the All the Things sticker book and its coordinating washi. These are both from the Happy Planner. So let's go ahead and check out this sticker book first. And I am looking at it for the first time with Yins. I've been very patient and trying not to look at it, and oh my god, these are already adorable. I am just infatuated with icon stickers. I love them. These are so stinking cute. I love the little soda bottles and the soda cans. And we got little rain booties. So that's your weather. Those are cute. And the little bees. Look at the little bees and their little bee butts. Okay, and then we got Summer with the little froggy floaties. Okay, and he's cute. He is so stinking cute. And then we got some fruits. And breakfasts. You want to let me know in the comments down below if you have this sticker book, if you're thinking of purchasing this sticker book. These are so cute. I love the little milks, the little sandwiches. Okay, and then you got groceries. Okay, and then it looks like we might be getting into more celebration type icons here. And you got your little planners and your washi tapes. I feel like that's the first time that I've seen a stapler sticker. I've seen the others. Ooh, we're getting fancy with the cars now. Is that your traveling? Laundry. This looks more of like chores too, because you would have like, you know, you're washing your laundry, groceries, meal planning, delivery and mail, cleaning, just house care. It's, oh my god, I hope you can see this one right here. Yes, yes. And then of course your grumpy face. Those are cute. Okay, and then they give you some silver foil stickers. And then, of course, your gold foil. Just some cute little icons. Okay, we have silver. So it goes yay, today, friends, family, birthday, and love this. Alright. And then we got some nice quotes in that gold foil again. There he is again. Ah, God, I love the smiley faces too. Okay, so now we're getting back to some of the stickers we saw before, but these are on clear sticker sheets. We got the little bees. I love them little bees. It is one of the reasons why I did pick this sticker book, is for the bees. Okay. Sticker book's fighting me right now. And again, these are all on clear now. The first ones were on white sticker paper. So now we're all clear. And these are those smiley faces, but they're in that nice shiny gold foil. And we have them again in the silver foil. The little grumpy face. Okay, and we already saw this page earlier, but it was in silver foil, so they do give you a gold foil copy. And again, these are the same quotes, but they just switched out the foil. And that is it. That's it for the All the Things sticker book. And since we saw the sticker book, the washi's probably gonna make a little bit more sense. Let's see here. This one seems to be where the tape is. Alright, I always love it when they come out with coordinating washi. So, you get, let's see here, it looks like 7 rolls. And this one would be your fruits. So you got your apples, your peaches, your pineapples. So I'm digging that one. Okay, I'm just gonna keep grabbing them now, guys. So we got that nice salmon pinky color with the gold foil on this roll. And he's a little bit, well, no. Oh, it must be the vertical stripes. I thought it was wider, but they are the same size there. Okay, so next is this wonderful spring version one. It has all the little flowers that we saw along with the bees. Okay, so these are definitely bigger. Okay, so then we got a thinner one, just so that you can see the size there. So he's a thinner, and he's that beautiful purple with some gold foil dots going along the edge. And we got the summer one. So he has that sunshine, the watermelon, the little lemonade, hello sunshine, and gold foil. And just those cute summer icons. And again, this one is wider than the ones that we were seeing before. Okay, then we got those little the food icons. So, you know. Again, I love it when they coordinate. It just makes it so much more easier for me to do some of my layouts. And then this one seems to be the winter one. So you got scarves and hats and sweaters. The little Frosty who brings on the snow. So, again, just to give you a closer up view. I know sometimes it's difficult here on the screen because it feels like it's so far away. But that is a close-up view of the washies for the All the Things collection. So I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, this flip through, whatever you want to refer to it as. And again, if you have this collection, if you were thinking of purchasing this collection, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. And I'm just going to close out by saying thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. And please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to see more Plan With Me's.